Hi everyone. Today we have discussed some of the points of the chapter rural local self-government. Now in the last video we had always discussed about to be the point of the Gram Panchayat and the composition of the Gram Panchayat. About to be the Gram Panchayat we have discussed that it is a decision making body for the entire of the villages where all of the decisions have been taken by the Panch or the Sarpanch of that villages. Now, come to be the point about to be the composition. So in composition, we also understood the head of the Gram Panchayat is known as the Sarpanch and the other individual members who are called to be the Panch. That is the point which we have discussed in the composition of the Gram Sabha. Gram Panchayat. Now, come to be the point about to be the functions of the Gram Panchayat. So we know that very well here, the Gram Panchayats has the some of the duties to perform the other responsibilities or the respective of the villages. In those functions, there are the two types dividing in the function of the Gram Panchayat. If we talk here about to be the function of the Gram Panchayat, then the functions are divided into the two types. Understood? Number one is the compulsory functions and second function is the optional function. Understood or not? Here Gram Panchayat divided to be the two types of the functions. Number one is known as the compulsory function and the second one that is known as to be the optional function. Compulsory functions are related that it will be the very serious to be the taken care of. And if we talk here to be the optional function, then it may be or not may be. So first of the point which we have discussed here about to be the functions of Gram Panchayat are number one. What is it? You know that the Gram Panchayat provide the health facilities by the setting up to be the dispensaries and the health center in the villages. If we have talking here about to be the dispensaries, so what is the meaning of the word dispensaries? What is the meaning of the word dispensaries? Look that dispensaries means what? So dispensaries means a clinic provided by the people. A clinic. Dispensaries means a clinic provided by the public or the charitable fund. It means what? A clinic provided by public or charitable fund. So first of all it is given here that a Gram Panchayat always provide the health facility to the people of the villages in those first of all given to be the dispensaries and then to be the health center. So in dispensaries if we have talking here, so that means a clinic provided the public or the charitable fund. Here the villagers has been go to there and take all of the facilities which have been given by the Gram Panchayat. Second point about to be the next, and that is about to the supply of the clean drinking water. We know that in the gram or the villages lots of the problem has been come for the drinking water. They haven't any taps or the drinking water supply system, so they drink the water from the river side or take the water from the river side for the drinking purposes. So first of all the Gram Panchayat give this type of the function, and it is the function of the Gram Panchayat to supply the clean drinking water. It's a supply the clean drinking water to the people of village. Now, next, what is the other functions? So, if we talk here, keep the roads and the street also clean on that villages. Second point, third point, that is clean, keep the road and the street clean. And the next point given about to be the construct. What construct? So construct and the repair the roads. Construct and the repair of the roads. For to whom? The villagers. And the bridges, tanker, ways, and to be the drain system also made by the village panchayat. And all the work are being done by the villagers of the Gram Panchayat. Next point, that is about to be the primary education. Now, we know that very well that it is also the function of the Gram Panchayat is provide to be the primary education in the villages. And one of the points also come here that what is primary education? What is primary education? It is saying that it is the functions of the Gram Panchayat to the provide the primary education to the villages. But one of the questions also arising, what is the primary education and what is the meaning of the word the primary education? So in another way, if we can say here, basically it is typically that the first education. What is it? It is typically the first education coming after the preschool or the kindergarten. What is? It's a coming after then the preschool or the kindergarten and before to be the secondary school. So that is known as the primary education. So in another way, if we have described or the discuss here about to be the primary education, that means it is typically that the first education that the first education coming after preschool or by the kindergarten and before secondary school. Understood? So it is also the function of the Gram Panchayat to provide the primary education to the villages. Now, the next function is educated the farmer. It is the also function of the Gram Panchayat. What? That is educated to be the farmers on how to improve the farms and the maintain to be the healthy cattle. That is also the function of the Gram Panchayat. Now here we have discussed about to be the primary education. Then after that we have also discussed about to be the educated the farmer for how they can be improved their the field, improve their the seeding the bees or the how they irrigated the fields to the crops. These all are the functions of the Gram Panchayat to provide to be the villagers. Now next point given that the check and the speed about to what of the diseases by the vaccination or the inoculations. If the some of the disease has been the comes in the villages, how they procure them, how they protect them, which type of the vaccinations has been used for that diseases, that is the work of the Gram Panchayat to discuss with the villagers. So first of all, again one of the point coming that what is the vaccination or the what is the vaccine? What is this? What is the vaccination? What is the vaccination? Now, if we discuss about the vaccination, so vaccination means what, you know that the treatment with a vaccine to be the produce the immunity against the disease. It is a treatment. It is a treatment. Vaccination means what? It is a treatment with. It is a treatment with. Okay. It is a treatment with a vaccine to produce immunity against a disease. Against a disease. Now, next point or the functions of the Gram Panchayat is what, you know that look after the weaker society of the section. What is? That is the look after the weaker society, a weaker section of the society. So, weaker section of the society, what is it? If we talk here, weaker section of society, so it's defined that weaker section of the society means what? That it means the people with the economically or the especially to be the backward. In another word, if we can say here, backward means what? The people who has against, they happen to be the less of the qualification or the education or to be the understanding to be the points, how can they progress their the society in their society or in the state. So that was the weaker section of the society. The weaker section of the society means we have clearly thinking about that the society or the people with the economically or to be the especially to be the backward. Now, next function given about to be the record about to be the births and the deaths of the people on that villages. So that is the next point or the functions of the Gram Panchayat is record the birth and the death in the villages. Now come to be the next point about to be the next function. What is it? It is a construct the buildings and the maintain the cremation to be the burial of the ground. So that is also the work of the villages function. So these are the compulsory function of the Gram Panchayat. Now next, that is about to be the optional function. First of all, the point has been given that the village panchayat organize the cattle fair and in the village market or the village market heads. Okay. Now the next point given that about to be the village panchayats build the rest houses. What is? Build the rest houses, playgrounds, and the organized to be the educational programs where the profit has been taken will be taken by the people of the villages. Now the next point has been given that be the responsible for the community centers and to be the entertainment in them. In the next video, we have discussed about to be the Nyay Panchayat.